everyone, and welcome everyone to our science class. This is me again, teacher N, your science teacher. And for this lesson, we're going to talk about, or we're going to classify different animals according to what they eat, right? So for this lesson again, we're going to talk about different animals and their food. Okay, it's review time. So last time we talked about the different movements of animals, right? So we can identify animals the way they move. Okay, they use their different bodies. So let's recap. Let's review that last previous lesson. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Okay, last week we talked about the movement of different animals. So there are some animals that use their legs to walk or run. Walk or run. We have also some animals that use their muscles to slither. Again, they use their muscles to slither. So these are the snakes. So we have also fish. Okay, their movement. They move in the water. They swim and they use their fins to swim. We have also the um, birds. Okay, birds use their wings to fly. We have also turtle. Okay, they use their legs to crawl. Crawl. And lastly, we have frog. Frog use their legs to jump. So again, these are the animals' movement, different movement. They use their different body parts for them to move. So now our topic is all about the classifications of the local animals. When we say local animals, so these are the animals that we can find in our area. Okay, animals that we can find here in Thailand. Okay, we have rabbit. Okay, rabbit is what we call they are herbivores. Okay, so herbivores, they are the animals that only eat plants. Okay, again, these are the animals that only eat plants. So they are herbivores. We have also what we call carnivores. So these are the animals that eat another animals. Okay? These are the animals that eat other animals. So they are meat eater. So like for example, we have the lion, we have also the what is this? We have also the crocodile, right? So they eat other animals. And we have also what we call the omnivores. Okay, when we say omnivores, so these are the animals that eat both plants and also they eat other animals. So that is why they are called omnivores, meaning they are both eaters of plants and animals. So again, we have what we call the carnivores, we have omnivores, and we have the herbivores. So herbivores is the animals that eat only meat. So herbivores, these are the animals that only eat plants. And for the omnivores, they both eat meat and plants. Now let's play. I want to show you different animals and I want you to tell me if they are herbivores, carnivores, or they are omnivores. Okay. Let me know if you are ready so we can get started. Okay, let's go. Now let's go to the first example. So we have monkey. Monkey, what do you think monkey is? Is that a herbivore, carnivore, or omnivore? Yes, monkey is an omnivore. Why? Because most monkeys, they eat nuts, fruits, seeds, and flowers. Also, some monkeys also eat birds, eggs, small lizards, insects, and spiders. So that is why monkey is omnivore. How about this one? Okay, are you familiar with shark? Shark, what do you think shark is? Is that herbivore, carnivore, or omnivore? What do you think? Alright, so shark is considered a carnivore. They eat animals, other small fish. How about giraffe? What do you think giraffe is? Is giraffe a herbivore, a carnivore, or an omnivore? Okay, giraffe is a herbivore animals. They eat leaves of a trees, tall trees. That's why they have a long neck. Next to that is we have pig. Okay, pig is considered also as an omnivore because pig loves to eat flowers, fruits, leaves, grass, roots, mushrooms, and tree barks. Also, some of the wild pigs, they scavenge and eat worms, dead insects, as well as carcasses. So when we say carcasses, so these are the dead body of an animals. How about wolf? Wolf, what do you think wolf is? Is is it a herbivore, carnivore, or an omnivore? Yes, wolf is considered a carnivore. How about horse? Horse. Is it a herbivore, carnivore, or omnivore? What do you think is the answer? Alright, we have herbivore. Horse is considered a herbivore because they only eat grass. How about chicken? Chicken. Is chicken a herbivore, a carnivore, or omnivore? What do you think is the answer? Okay, chicken is considered a an omnivore because she can eat insects and also seeds, right? Seeds and seeds, okay, like corn, okay, they eat that one. So that's why they are considered as an omnivore. How about this one? We have tiger. What do you think tiger is? Is it a herbivore, a carnivore, or omnivore? Herbivore, carnivore, or omnivore? Okay, tiger is, yes, carnivore. They eat other animals. How about this one? Yes, we have elephant. What do you think elephant is? Is it a herbivore, carnivore, or an omnivore? Okay, elephant is considered as a herbivore. Herbivore. Now for your worksheet, I want you to open your book on page 96. page 96. So this worksheet is a continuation of our topic, last topic. So it's about the organ and the functions of the parts of the animal. Okay, so all you have to do is you have to fill in the blanks, okay, with the organ, okay, and below to that is the function, okay, function of that particular parts of an animal body. So like for example, we have this one. First is we have this one. What do you call this one? Is it an ears, nose, legs and feet, mouth, skin, or eyes? So, like for example, this is what do you call this one? So, and what is the function of this? Is it to see, to eat, to listen, to walk, to smell and breathe, to cover internal organs? So again, the first blank is you have to write the organ. So in the first is we have this one, the orange one, okay? So those are ears, nose, legs and feet, mouth, skin, and eyes. So that is the organ. And for the next blank is you have to put the function of that specific body organ of an animal. Alright? So for example, ears. So what is the function of the ears? Is it to see, to eat, to listen, to walk, to smell, or to cover the internal organs? So that is on page 96 of your science book. And for the next part is you have to draw a line to match the type of an animal, whether it eats meat, plants, or both meat and plants. On page 97 of your book, all you have to do is you have to draw a line. For example, we have horse. What do you call the horse is? Is it a herbivore, a carnivore, or an omnivore? All you have to do is you have to draw a line to connect them. How about dog? Is it a herbivore, carnivore, or an omnivore? Tiger and lion. Okay, are they herbivore, carnivore, or omnivore? How about the deer? And lastly, we have bird. Okay, all you have to do is you have to draw a line. Okay, and this is for page 98 of your book. Okay, so you have to draw a line to match the relationship between organs used for the movement, types of animals, and the movement characteristic of an animal. Again, you have to draw a line. So these are the organs used for movements. Okay, these are the types of animals. Okay, we have 4 animals, and we have the movements. Okay, what do you call the movements of the animals here? You have to connect it. Like for example, we have wings. Okay, which type of animals use their wings to what? To, is it to swim, to fly, to slither, or to walk? Next to that is we have legs. Okay, which animals use their legs to move? Okay, and legs is used to what? Is it to swim, to fly, to slither, or to walk? How about this one? We have fins. Okay, which animals use their fins to what? To? Yes, is it to swim, to fly, slither, or to walk? And lastly, we have the muscles. Okay, which of the animals use the muscles to move? Okay, and what type of movements is that? Is that used to swim, to fly, to slither, or to walk? So that is for last number. Okay. And so this is the end of our class for today, and thank you for listening, and hope to see you next video. Bye bye. I know gold is not enough.